Now today we're going to have a little bit different day than what we normally do. We normally meet at my house when the weather is good. What we're going to try to do today, and see if it works out the way we want, is meet at the bagel place. It's called Need a Bagel, 177 Park Avenue. And we never know who's going to show up, of course. But it is going to be one of the hottest days of the year, so we're looking to get out of here very early. Maybe even get back before we cook. Skies are blue. Again, you never know who's going to show up, but we're ready to share the day with you. If you're at work and you feel like riding along with us, please join us. And if you want to meet us for the meetup, 177 Park Avenue, we'll be meeting there in the future. Need a Bagel is the name of the place.
Nice to see you with the real bike.
Yeah.
What did you put on it? Oh, those tank things. Yeah.
The grips.
Yeah, they're good. I had them on the bike at one time, but you know what?
The delivery, or did you put that on?
That?
Yeah.
No, the guy that I bought it from did that.
Yeah.
Because it had been crashed, the middle panels are non-original.
This is a really nicely restored
and
Ducati.
then he had it, he had it sprayed.
Yeah, I did have these on my bike.
Nice.
Well, I had them on that bike, and it made the tank feel wide.
Really?
Have you noticed that?
Well, yeah, I put one last night. So.
When you stick your knee in there and then lean in, it felt like, oh, the tank just got about an inch and a half bigger.
Yeah, that's funny. I didn't notice it when I did it to that, but I've been riding like that for 13 years now, so.
You got them on here too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, these I've had these on several bikes. These tank grips. I had them on there when we were doing track days. Then I said, well, don't need them now.
Oh yeah, you got. See, that was my other choice. I like this company, but they didn't do them in clear, and I didn't want more black.
The problem with clear for me, on white they change the color. On red it doesn't. I have it on the 899. It's fine, but on the I had to take it off the multi-strada. It looked horrible.
You know what happened to mine? They yellowed.
Yeah.
They yellow and then they look. Well, I guess they yellowed.
But on a red bike you don't notice that.
No.
Yeah, we got a while anyway.
Stand by your bikes.
Keith, you did a beautiful job. I have to give you full credit.
Thank you very much.
Vlad, as always, is the last man to the party, and we love him, so we wait for him. But otherwise, we ought to kill him.
Wendy, get in the picture.
Oh, a man taking pictures of the picture. Yeah. We gonna get some run-bys today or anything?
I didn't bring the.
You got your good camera?
I didn't bring the drone because I found out last minute I need a different controller to do the tracking.
Oh.
I thought I could do it from the phone.
I thought we were going to do drone shots today.
Yeah.
Make it look like we know
anyway,
what we're doing.
I can't bring it on this bike. It's too
You
much.
got to take the bike.
I got to bring the multi-strada.
So this is in Rutherford, again, 177 Park Avenue. Beautiful place. And what we're going to do, we're going to ask them the next door. I'll get permission. This is, I guess, some kind of empty parking lot here. We can have our meetup here and not tie up the bagel place parking lot. Oh, here comes Guy.
I was just
no, it's
the bike
Vlad.
That was brand new.
All right.
How old is your son?
15.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
For some reason I thought he was like 3.
Nah, he's been.
Good morning, sir.
No.
No trouble finding it?
Yeah, 3 days.
You make it so difficult to like find it. It's right next to you.
You're a hard man to please. 1,400 emails last night to get here. We make life difficult. Listen, Vlad, in the future, we just talked about, we're going to meet in this parking lot so we don't tie up their spot. Unless you're going to have a bagel. You want to have coffee or bagel?
No, why not?
Go ahead. We'll watch you.
Why, you don't want to have bagel?
No, I want to have bagel up by the...
bagels when we go to bagel.
Yeah. Let's take a vote. Vote.
No bagel.
Rockaway? Rockaway?
I went the same way as I go to you.
Okay.
I just stopped before making a left. I said, let me see where it is. It says just come back 2 blocks again. I'm like, okay, I'm here.
World traveler. Man, I'm glad you don't have to find your way around Moscow.
Actually, 500 is pretty good. I'm like,
Yeah, I had fun in Moscow too. Go ahead, go have your coffee, your bagel, and then we'll go. It's going to get hot. Look at the sky up here. Wow.
I'm not.
Going to get hot.
This is not as.
That's why we're meeting here.
Not as airy as my.
do adventure bikes.
Now I did a lot of these carbon fiber parts came from my shop. Let's see what else I do remember. I do remember the fairing. We did that fairing, carbon fiber. Look at the quality of that paint, unbelievable. This is a pretty cool bike. And there's a tail section. Oh yeah, I remember that hugger. The tail section, that is just a load of work, boy. Man, is that a lot of work. Very rare bike, relatively rare bike, I think. Try to include everything. It's an eclectic video. And of course, Vlad has an incredibly beautiful collection of motorcycles. We're all jealous of them.
Well, not just fall.
This is one of them.
Once you get used to it being wiggly.
But I do remember those valve codes. Boy, was that a labor of love. Woo! Place, Rockaway Bagel.
Bagels to bagels.
Bagels for bagels. I love that road with the millionaire houses. Whoa. Hey, we go through some cool areas here on the way up here. Beautiful day, getting hotter by the minute. Guy is going to appear here like magic, I hope, sooner or later. The BMW is running great. Take some pictures, make us famous.
Oh, get in there. I'm like, I put some time.
Poor Keith is saying, oh, I wish I had handlebars. I wish I had a real handlebar. Like a man. Makes a man out of you, right?
Windy, get in the photo.
Let me see your muscles. Oh my God, you're like a bodybuilder. I'm not a fool with you. I'm not doing any track days with you, baby. I like all these guys that are out of shape like you and me. Especially you. Oh my God. It gets to you, huh? There's a trick. Whenever you ride with a guy with a Ducati, first you go for an hour-and-a-half ride, and then you start going fast. And then the guy can't figure out why the guy with the handlebars is in front. Whoa, another Harley goes. Another one bites the dust.
Your bike is running a little bit rich.
Can one of you go around the other side for me?
Rockaway Bagel, the best hangout spot on the Northeast. The girls are friendly. They love motorcycle guys.
We're having bananas.
And they never say hello when you ask them.
The simplest of tasks.
It's okay.
They admitted they're growing marijuana behind the building?
No, they did not.
They didn't. They are.
You freaked them out.
If you go behind the building here, somebody planted marijuana behind the building. I don't know.
It was good.
We're gonna head out. It's been a great day. It's been a great ride. But I have a feeling it's gonna get really hot in about another hour. Usually on the way back, we try to pick a more relaxed way of going. Everybody loves this road. This is one of my favorites. And you notice there's a couple of things here. They freshly paved some of it. They didn't pave all of it. There's a lot of elevation changes. That's always nice, especially on a hot day. A lot of trees, a good part of the road, you're in the shade. There's only one really quirky thing about this. Now, because these are basically millionaire houses, some of this area. And what happens is you're coming around a lot of turns. There's a lot of landscapers working here all the time. Now, I'm always super aware of what the landscapers, they just put their truck out in the middle of the road. Now, if you're not aware of that or you're not expecting it, it can really sneak up on you. It can really be a problem. And you'd be just coming around the road, maybe a few miles over the speed limit if you're not paying attention or you're looking down at your GPS or something. And basically, there's no traffic here. It's life after people, of course. One of the reasons we like it. But every once in a while, you come around the corner and hey, you could do Evel Knievel here. That could ruin your whole day. I'm kind of aware of it because I ride this area a lot, but I always try to warn the people that are new to this area. And that is, for sure, one of the shortcomings of, well, to be honest, of this area. If you're new to our channel, we have a very, very eclectic channel. One of the new features we have now is some of the videos are grouped into groups that you can access all the videos for one category in one mouse click. And it should be very convenient and very handy. Just check out the feature on the main screen playlist. And thanks to everybody for supporting the channel. We appreciate your support, and it makes this channel possible with all the things we do. The painting, the wheels, the polishing. And please take a second or two and hit the like button. and thanks everyone for watching.